lovelies, in today's video we're going to be completely converting my home office into a guest bedroom. My family is coming in like 5 days. They're currently packing their bags, getting ready to come over, but they are all fighting to stay in my guest bedroom. No one wants to stay in my office, and I think that's unacceptable. So we're converting the office into a guest bedroom. I think what we're going to do is something bold. We're going to do something a bit more different. It's going to be dark, a lot more darker, moodier. I want it to be a bit Victorian feeling. And so I think we're going to accomplish that goal. We're even cutting my headboard in half. I'm planning on repurposing a lot of the furniture and pieces in my space because I think that teaches you what you can also do for yours, or how you can completely change a space just by adding color, by adding fabric, or cutting something. And I'm going to teach you guys exactly what I did to this room. I know I'm doing a lot of talking. Let's go straight to it because I have to finish making this headboard. Like I said, I have 5 days before they get here. Okay, so I have about a week to get this room prepared for my family for the holidays. I'm painting the walls today. At some point we're going to work on the bed and the headboard situation. It's going to be kind of bold and moody, hopefully, because this is originally my boyfriend's office, and we're just going to keep it kind of office vibes but more interesting. We're doing stripes. This is the base color, and then we're going to paint that everywhere, and I'm going to let it dry, and we're going to come back and do stripes. If we can do that all today, I'd be super happy, but we need to get to it. We're losing daylight. Don't be lazy, folks. Take off the covers. I am too lazy to go find the proper screwdriver. Got one done. I think I only have 2 more plates to take off.
What you told me?
I don't know how I'm getting this one out. The bed is in the way. First coat. But like, don't want to do it.
Try to like, that doesn't mean not very much brush
So I have the first coat done. I'm hoping there's not too many touch-ups that has to be done. Now that it's drying, I am seeing little patches and things that I have to go over. I did kind of go over it lightly with the brush, hoping that will help, so once it dries you can't notice it. But I am noticing on this wall there's going to be a lot, not a lot, but there's going to be a lot to do, and then random little places. But because I'm going to be doing it striped, I'm hoping I don't have to do a second coat and it'll be hidden like once the stripes are up. We'll see if I can just touch it up with the paintbrush and then move on. But so far I'm liking it. It's giving peanut butter. It's giving chocolate, actually. Before it was giving peanut butter when it was lighter, but now it's drying and it's giving a bit of chocolate. I'm gonna wash off my brushes, let this dry, come back in a few hours and see. Maybe we can get taping done, and then tomorrow most likely paint the stripes, because I don't think we'll have enough time today because it's already 2:28. So it's been like 2 hours working on this room. My boyfriend did help me tremendously, so that took a large load off of me, but there's still a lot that has to be done in this room. I think so far we've tackled obviously the biggest portion, and I'm excited to see what it looks like once it's done. I think potentially I'm going to do the trim also today while it's drying, just get the trim done, and then dry, put the stripes on, and then fill the stripes in most likely tomorrow. But I want to make sure it's perfectly dry before even taping it, because I don't want the paint to pull off or anything. So I think the next step we might do is trim, which you guys are going to kind of get the vibe hopefully from there, because seeing this brown with this white is not cute. I think it looks very dated. I am wondering if I should paint the doors or not. Part of me saying leave the doors alone, just paint the trim, but we'll see. But I think for now we will just paint the trim, and I'll move on from there. sure the side that you are keeping has the side that the tape is on. So then I'm going to measure another 6 inches and make sure it's on the outer side of the measurement, so when we paint, the inside of the measurement will get covered in the other color paint. We are finishing up the last bit of the wall. We started here and we're ending here. I basically got everywhere else. Couldn't really show you because my hard drive is completely full and my SD card is completely full, so I had to pick and choose what I show you and delete things slowly. I'm waiting for my hard drive to come in the mail. They said it's going to take 1 to 3 days. It's already day 1, it didn't come, so most likely coming in 3 days. But it is the holiday, so it's probably coming in longer than that. What we're doing, I got my tape measure, pencil. We're gonna measure 6 inches. But basically what I'm doing is marking 6 inches all the way down so I know where to keep the line. And we're reversing where we're measuring from. So right now we're measuring from inside the line because the next one is going to be this wall color. We have, this is going to be dark, this is going to be light, this is going to be dark. So you'll see, bless me, I don't have much space on there. Can't take up too much time. Okay, so we're gonna measure from the outside because the next tape is going to be inside, and then we're gonna measure a full 6 inches. So first we're measuring 6 inches, but you can see we're measuring from within the tape band, and that's going to be the color that's staying on the wall, the light color. Then we're going to measure another 6 inches, and that will be the dark color. I'm using pencil because I can always erase pencil if I need to. I also think hopefully it doesn't show behind the paint, but pencil is easy to erase. This one here looks wonky. Look at it. I feel like this one is not straight. And then it's going fat there. Something's literally happening right here. Because there's one like this. So then now this one's going. Let me figure that out. Can you? Yeah, you can notice it. You can notice it. It literally looks like it's going like this. Like right in here. And then, I don't know, can you see here? Up top looks really bad. And then here looks kind of fat. It's a little hard to see, but basically I'm just following these lines. Basically I just kind of do as many ticks as I can all the way across. Well, not all the way across, but it's a good amount across, and then I'll just do line, 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 and that's the fastest way to do it. I realize if I do this, then measure from the tape and then go down, it takes a bit longer than when I just kind of keep going for a good portion and then put the tape down, put the tape down, put the tape down, because the ticks are already there, versus, okay, measure from here, put the tape down, measure from here, just kind of getting it all in one take, because even just now with me, it just did this, it took me like 5 minutes or 3 minutes to get this portion done, so rather than when I did the whole room, it took me hours and hours to do, and then I kind of got the groove once I got to this wall. So that's what I think is the fastest way, is get your measurements done and then just kind of follow it straight down. I'm almost finished. I have the tiniest section left because I was dealing with that stupid corner. It took the last bit of energy I had, and this sun setting so early is also just ugh. But I would like to hopefully get the taping done. Well, the taping is going to get done, that's not a question. But I would like to get the first coat of paint on, and then I can leave you guys with that, and then we can come back and see how it went. This is definitely not my angle, so we're going to stop doing this and stop procrastinating because I probably look crazy. Well, we finished taping at least. It's 9:10 p.m. We just finished the taping, and we're not going to get painting tonight, so I'll see you. Morning, everyone. I just woke up. My boyfriend's still sleeping. It's very early in the morning, so we're not going to talk loud, but we are going to try to get the base of the paints. Basically, we're repainting the exact same color on the wall to help through the trim leaking through. So then I have to go to a workout class, and then we'll come back and continue. Hopefully we can get a good portion of this done. Let's take this show on the road.
Same-ish, different day, I'll be bored out my mind. Hometown, love my place, but while I'm in my prime, gotta go get away, hop a train, cop a flight, and ride. Tonight I gotta break free. My job, those boss be working minors. Clock
you're still watching, I really want to say thank you so much. Please give it a subscribe and a thumbs up. We have a goal to reach 50K. The goal is really 100K, but obviously we have to work our way there. I would love to get a plaque one day. That has been my dream and my goal since I was in high school. So it's been a very long time. But I want to say thank you guys for watching. I want to say thank you guys for engaging with my videos, and keep watching the video. Let's get right back into it.
Slow down, no. Me and who, when they see me out, booked it 'cause I'm not waiting around for you. Let's have it go. Brazil, let's have it go. London, let's have it go. South Africa, let's have it go. Korea, let's have it go. New York, let's have it go. Toronto, let's have it go. Paris, let's have it go. Nigeria, let's have it go. DC, let's have it go. LA, let's have it go. Trees, new beach, we be out on the coast. Swim, 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 beach, catch me doing my most. Eating good in Paris, grab a glass, make a toast tonight. Just live.
We're almost there. We're almost there. Wait, I think I did. I don't remember. I started on this wall. Was standing on here, so I most likely got these ones look done. Oh my gosh! This feels a bit tacky, kind of cold. I think it's just these three. Oh, really? I think we're almost done. Yeah, that looks shiny. Yep. And then I couldn't reach there, so I did here. Oh, we have 3 more! I feel like I want to peel off the tape before it dries too much, because then it starts to chip and peel and do all not nice things. When I peeled the tape off from the first coat, it really messed up the walls and the border, the trim and everything. So we're just gonna paint these 3 and just get the peeling of the tape off. I do think I do look kind of ridiculous with the overalls. The more I look at myself, I look more and more ridiculous. But like, it has saved me from ruining so many clothes that I do feel like a giant toddler. Let me know what your thoughts are on the overalls. Are they cute and like, it's like, oh, it's quirky, it's cute? Or is it like, no girl, you look like a giant baby? Please let me know. Because they're also so baggy, but that's why I like them, because they're so breezy and comfortable. And I did sit on paint, so imagine if I sat in paint wearing my favorite leggings or like pants, you know, and I can move, I can bend, I can stand, I can do it all. What I'm doing is I'm rolling, because it's so loaded, it's overloaded, so I'll kind of just spread it along like that, and then go back over it, and then spread the rest out. And I'm also, what I like to do so I don't have to keep going up and down the ladder, is do like the top half that I need a ladder for, and then do the bottom half. I'm interested to see what it looks like when I pull the tape off, like, and because right now, I'm not feeling it. Also, the lighting is not great, but also the green, so I'm excited to see what it looks like once I take everything off. In the throat right now, just from the diaphragm. And so I'm like, and where? Whose voice is that? And shut up, Tiara. Let's get moving. Ooh, pretty.
Tell me, is you trying to fuck? I'ma leave it up to you.
Okay.
There we go.
Okay. All together. Wow. The camera is not doing it justice because I'm also orange in the camera. I'm hoping I can color correct it so you guys can see. But look how clean the lines are. Look how, mine is right there. That's pencil. That's pencil. I was like, oh no. But look at that. Perfection! And this, look at this angle. I had to get the right angle on that, the right amount of inches. I was like, no slacking. We're gonna get the perfect measurement all the way down. Look at that. Look at that. You know, I could have just cheated and just kept it here. That wouldn't be right. Look at that.